Hello, everybody. Our topic for today is variation. What is variation? Variation simply means the relationship between two values or two things, in which if one changes, the other one changes as well. We have two main types of variation, which are we have direct variation and we have indirect variation. But we are going to start with direct variation, okay? So direct variation is just the relationship between two values in which both values increase or decrease together. They increase or decrease at the same time, okay? That is to say that if one value increases, the other value increases as well. If one value reduces, the other value reduces as well. For example, more money, more work, okay? Then more work, more money. Less work, less money, okay? So that's real life example of what? Direct variation. If this one is increasing, the other one is increasing as well. Another example is like more apples. The more apples you buy, the more the cost, okay? As the number of apple is increasing, the cost will be increasing as well. If you are reducing the number of apple, the cost will be reducing as well, okay? So in mathematics, we have this symbol as symbol of variation, which means varies, okay? So supposing we have that y varies directly as x, this is how we are going to write it, okay? This means varies, so it can be varies directly or in the or any other, but this particular one means y varies directly as x, okay? So from here we have the equation for direct variation, which is y equals kx, where this k is known as constant of proportionality or constant of what? Variation, okay? So with this, you can as well derive the formula for finding k. Supposing we are required to find k, to be able to write the complete equation. So we can use this formula by dividing both sides by x. Okay, this x will cancel this x and we now have that k equals y over x, okay? So if you have the value of x and you have the value of y and you are to find the value of k, you use what? This formula, okay? So explaining this formula the more, we have that supposing you have one orange cost 100 naira, okay? Two oranges will cost how many? 2 times 100, and that is going to give us 200 naira, okay? Then three oranges will cost 3 times 100, which is going to give us 300 naira, okay? So see, as the number of the orange we have here is increasing, the cost is increasing as well. For one we have 100, then for two we have 200, for three we have 300, okay? So going back to the formula, which is y equals kx, okay? This y is a dependent variable, it depends on x, okay? So comparing it with this example now, we have that y is the cost of the orange. The cost of orange we have here is y, okay? Then this x, the other variable, which is x, is the number of the oranges, okay? See, as the number of orange is increasing, the number of the cost of the orange is increasing as well, okay? That is to say that y depends on x, okay? Is the change of x, the change in x that resulted to change in y, okay? All right, then the constant here is 100. You can see that throughout this place we have 100. We are just using 100. So 100 times 100, which is k, times 1. 100 times 1 will give you 100. 100 times 2 will give you 200. 100, which is constant, times number of orange time will give you what? The cost of the orange, okay? All right, thank you. Hope you understand everything. In our next class, we are going to learn how to use this formula to find the value of x, then use it to write full equation. All right, thank you for watching and thank you for being here. Bye.